Hi, I'm Tada of Mada Tsukaeru de. Mada Tsukaeru de is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna update the 93 Jeep Cherokee camper project. Last time, I completed the rear hatch lever, so now I can open the rear hatch from inside, and that's great thing for camper. And the next thing I'm gonna do is to put the curtains around the rear windows. And this is important to keep the privacy of the camper. So I completed it today, so that I will just outline what I did for the curtain installations. So this is the measurement of the size for the curtain. Okay, I took a measurement. So here's a plan. So I'm thinking about using a 1/4 inch tubing for holding or the hanging the curtain, and I'm gonna put the tubing. Actually, it's overarching the ceiling and bend it and clamp it against this screw, and I want to have the curtain to slide, so the pin or the tube supporter will be the stopping point for the curtain. So there's 3 feet to the curtain to the half, and the other side same 3 feet to the center, and I'm gonna make a little bit of the arch shape so that it's gonna hold the weight of the curtain, hopefully. And the joint and tubing supporter here, and they put the curtain. This is about 3 feet, so the curtain I'm gonna show you later is 3 feet, about 3 feet wide. So they put the curtain here, and then they put the tube supporter here and another tubing to here from the left, and from the right from here to here, so that when you close the curtain you actually overlap the curtain this much, and this way I don't need to drill a hole on the ceiling, and the curtain gonna fit 3 feet, everything gonna be 3 feet wide. So I think it's gonna work fine. This is the curtain I got. This is from Japan, so the size is not really English size, but the width is about 3 feet and the height is about 6 feet. So I'm gonna cut this to the size and make 3 pieces out of 1. So the total will gonna be 6 pieces. So I spent a few hours and made 3 pieces, and I have another set, so the total will be 6 pieces. And the top one, I can use the some hook that comes with the typical curtain. But the second and third piece, I have to think about how to hang it. I bought this to make a hole on the curtain. Okay, I made holes and they're covered with grommet, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the other 3 curtains. Okay, I purchased 1/4 inch OD aluminum tubing, and also the steel tubing, and that I'm gonna use as a joint for the 1/4-inch tubings, and also the tube supports. So and I'm gonna put the tube support, and then I hang these tubings. I'm gonna use the two benders to bend the tubings. And this is a stop button. So this actually really clamps really hard, so I'm gonna temporarily hang this for the measurement purpose. Okay, looks good. Okay, I finished making the curtain. So I decided to put the long curtain on the rear because there is an angle. This angle is actually making the curtain very in, and if I use this short one, I could actually see the inside, and so that's why I decided to put this guy so that the curtain can be pushed against the window like this. And if you open the curtain, the rear curtain, this is how it works. And so I was supposed to use this long one on the front, but now the front has a short one. But fortunately, I don't really see the front or the windshield from here. If I go like here, I barely just see the little portion of the windshield. So that means I cannot really be seen from outside. So this is great, and I'll move on to the next thing soon. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.